Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Anxiety in Igangan over fear of reprisal attack from Seriki Fulani and his herdsmen. The inhabitants of Igangan community in Oyo State are currently living in fear of possible reprisal attack by killer herders in reaction to their recent eviction from parts of the state following the ultimatum given to them by Yoruba rights activist Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho. Barring the security arrangements being put in place by the state government, the community leaders comprising the Ashigangan of Igangan, Oba Adewuyi Olaoye, the Ashigangan in Council, community leaders and youth groups indicated that precautionary measures were in place to prevent possible attack by the herders. Oba Olaoye confirmed that traditional overrides had been made to appease the gods of the land for protection, and a dusk-to-dawn curfew has been imposed on Igangan community as part of efforts of ensuring security. The convener, Igangan Development Advocate Oladokun Oladiran, also said the community was eagerly awaiting the deployment of 200 Amoteku operatives promised by Governor Makinde of Oyo State to further check insecurity. He also added, Fulanis are still in our midst as we speak. They are still at Ile Bamogba in Igangan. They are living peacefully and are going about their daily activities without any threats. He continued, we continue to live in peace with Fulani people in Igangan. Those ones have stayed for many years in Igangan, and the entire Ibarapa are rising against the crime lord. We are talking of somebody who has turned crime into business, who made millions on kidnappings regardless of the lives being lost in the process.
Me, I no get too much talk man, I no verse, I beg. Me, I no happy no day, happiness no day, because what is for that guy house? What is that guy they fight for now? For me and you life, now they fight for our future, now they fight for. Say if this or do stand, our pikin go fit grow, and we say we never use our own age finish, so we go fit achieve better thing for our inside our old nation. But now to say on our head, no one time say now under Fulani, one forefather put on now before. Now work on day now again. When they do so, made the flog on our koboko. Maybe I also they beat on any so you now wait on our head once. Or gas on the go, I use God beg you, make a beg with my language. Mo fiori a year at abare, mo bio. Mo mori a year at abare, mo bio. Kí Odùduwà ká tí mo fẹ́ lọ síwájú ara ran kó lébẹ̀. Kó fi hàn sílẹ̀ fún ìyàrán ayé òyà náà sí ayé òyà òun náà sí because ẹ̀rùn ran èkó ọpẹ́ ọyẹ kan ti kó nínú ìyà tipẹ́tipẹ́ ọyẹ kan ti kó nínú ìyà tipẹ́tipẹ́ gbọ́n yóò kó lébẹ̀ ẹ̀rùn ran òkò àríjẹbílíbi mọ̀dàrú ni wọ́n most of Yorùbá they are estimate àríjẹbílíbi mọ̀dàrú ni wọ́n olórí burúkú ni most of them they are betrayer. They are betrayer, Odùduwà, Yoruba people, some of them, they are betrayer. They are the one who put fire for that house. Not be, if you hear the talk and say, Hausa, that all those is not the verse me. If Hausa want even there, Hausa maybe Hausa go there, Fulani go, they no go pass it or for. What thing want even do? Maybe for. Now our Yoruba brother do this thing, our Yoruba king, they among of it. Our Yoruba, where all those about useless king, where they get cow, where they get sheep, where they get everything, Fulani, they have there, they monitor. And some Oloribuku politicians where they guess all those things. Now them, now they gather together and say you want to destroy their business. What you want me they do? After you don't destroy this, say may Fulani come up for the land. Now they gather together. Now plan work. Your Eka again and they do the work. Believe me. A guy if they don't want too much for you, say they want they do you one kind, okay? It's better maybe you go leave them for their poverty. If you now you don't use the highest motto now, you don't use normal thing where maybe they use. See all those Olori Buruku that way they interview so they go say speak English. This one cannot speak English. Olori Buruku, now that English now destroy nothing today. That English people, now they destroy nothing today. We say I'm alive, do better so. Ogbeni about Ogbeni paying down Ogbeni. Aye no need that. Olori Buruku àgbàyà. Ìgbésí ayé no need that. Olori Buruku, when I no get sense. Person dey for front. The next thing for us to say, all of us, even the pikin wey dey inside belle, when they wake and say it's time for us to go. We are going to get our freedom. More you the surround the person where you there for front. The one where they give the title, what you do? You do nothing. They talk about war where don't happen 25 years ago. The one where don't fight secret. The one where go arrest for inside one bush. The one where we need no, you know if you talk and you know if you do. What do they talk? If Ghana dance, Ogbani wa. See, me as I dey talk my own confirm come outside. Me I no send anybody mama, I no send anybody papa. And I understand me, you Ghana dance, they are running of Yoruba land. If you not lie, they lie, make you swear. If you no happy, I know say you get, I know say you follow the plan, no. But as this thing happen, this one when you hear the breaking news, you happy say if you hear it don't clear. What will they talk? If you they tell and they do gara gara, you won't collect position. You don't have to talk now. You won't go rip for where it's not so put. You wait if you tell your fellow brother where they fight for the right. True talk, you go talk and come outside. Don't concern me. You know, and I know the day when my mother carry me for inside belly for 9 months. The day where they labor, when one born me, and I know the day. I want to catch me for we are better shiri. No about in jail, Lori Bruka Boshi, Lori Bruko Agbada, Lori Bruko, person where they fight for our life. Our life go take better. Now destroy and go destroy your house later, Yoruba people. Not be Igbo. Yoruba people now do this work, Yoruba, and you know she should be. It below them a bag go into lower si lórúkọ Ọlọ́run. Wallahi I can't tell anyone else. You know the one you need. Wallahi ilé ma jẹ́ iko tó lágbára fún nínú yín títí tẹ́ ma fi wọlé Ọlọ́run bá sùn. Ẹni rile sùn lórúkọ Ọlọ́run. Igbó ló ma kú sí. Ẹni kú sí bí taṣọ yín bá ti wà lórúkọ Ọlọ́run gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní wọ́sà ti jole Sunday Igboho. Olórí burúkú we are just shouting politician. Even the Nigerian wey destroy today I declare and Yorubas destroy Nigeria till today. If on a life, who no like this program, make you come out for there, don't make come out. Who they hear the program instead of you to write nonsense comment before I go use a good swear for you. You come out for there. Now the Nigeria who they suffer today. Now we destroy the Nigerian self. This is Yoruba people. What will they talk? Only somebody about Bant or Araba ni baba eton. Now destroy now Yoruba people. Now they destroy that nation till today. Because on the mouth, you know they close. You know they stay for one place. And I know get unity. And I know feel unite together. And I know if you do something like this, when they close and like this. Now lie. Now this one where they said and I go see go tell how they take the open and they go open and like this. You go do like this for the enemy high. I found cool. No go better for now. Olori Buruku. That's where they fight for our right. Where they fight for our right. Ghana down the talk said that people wait abroad. Now they push Sunday go. Who they feel Sunday go among the first? Out of 100% of people waiting for this abroad, I know if you count out of 100% of people waiting for this abroad, person where they okay pass Sunday go from A to Z for this abroad. Then they find out. Come outside. Most young. Not be hungry they cash and we know they find position, but in the one more make me and you come off inside this poverty. From me tissue jare if you know me job. O ti ko episode ti o fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ fún yín kí ló ṣe. I'm not looking first as I did. No, color, it's okay. The truth is bitter. If you no speak, I come outside. Now the thing I go kill you. The truth is bitter. Speak am. Yoruba. I don't feel regret I come for that Yoruba land. Not be lie. Yoruba, I love Yoruba. Yoruba now the glory of all the black. For the all black nation, we know. But Ogbeni, that glory, Ogbeni, last one I don't sell and throw away. And I don't sell the glory throw away. What's it happen? Make I use a good soil for the remaining people. Now that one for the Sunday go, for the last one for Sunday go, make I just tell you, Baba Sunday go, Baba Osha, Sunday go. If Yoruba know say that suffer where they suffer, say they like him. If you quit, it's better you quit. All of us say we they do broadcast, so we go quit. Nobody there for abroad, we hungry they cash. Forget say some people fit there outside, they don't feel where they sleep. But on a good day, if you sit there, it better pass you when you finish your NYC for Nigeria. You understand me? Baba Sunday go. If Yoruba want too much, say they want to put on as a politician way for you. They want to rob your conyoni. They want to threaten you one kind. Nothing go do you. I believe you 100%. Wallahi, I believe God 100%. I believe you 99%. Say nothing go do you. I believe you. Go Osha. But if Yoruba know say their head, you know they sleep for under building. Say na outside their head won't sleep. Baba so they go. You live there. We say we dey talk for abroad self. All of us go your quit. We don't go. We dey come there before. That Nigeria we dey come there before. We dey come there before that place. We dey come there before. I mean, people where they don't kill for Olu for Imo State today. Now it go make me happy. I mean, the one way more to go kill, where police they pursue, way more to go kill a Oshodi today. Now it go make me happy. So they come that fucking place. But we go leave them. Baba so they go if they hide not their house. Say they no want collect the freedom. Leave there, quit. When you go face your family. Come face your family. You use latest water. They live large. But you they live large. We were there for abroad. So we see. Forget say maybe we never buy house for here. But we they live large. We they live normal. Now live there inside the darkness. Everybody go even cancel the Facebook. So we will close everything. Close to the motherfucker account. Close everything throw away. May God punish all of you now. No bruku. Any more progress. Idiot people. That one are for those any more progress. We go destroy Sunday go. This governor of Ekiti State. My brain don't touch. I'm not be loud. Fire me, I be your name. When I me put in name for there. Fire me. We don't see on our handwork. And I don't say Fulani if he stay for anywhere in life for inside Yoruba land. If he stay for those, if he stay for anywhere. And we know now. But I no go follow you. The way that Fulani they pain everybody for body. It they make person mama they cry if you see pikin for cold blood. If the way pikin go see mama for inside cold blood, the way papa go see pikin for inside cold blood. Now that's you see you want make you see the exist. Wait till they say they don't want to. Now you say make it the exist for is all the full Yoruba land, abi. You know go better for you. Ultimate death. Wallahi inshallah your pikin go enter Fulani Esme hand. They go slaughter them. Share meat for road, inshallah. And you also. If you know with Nigeria you dey, Ogun go kill you. You know go better for you. From all of you now, when I go sit down for that meeting, when I sit down from A to Z, on a life no go better. Because wait till your fight for wait till the guy, wait till that Sunday go fight for so we never even see I never see good results for inside. I never see good results for inside. Wait till that Sunday go fight for so. Wait till make on us see plan together. All these Yoruba people wanna go burn on a follow border house. Wanna go burn in house. So the results say we never even see them. And I see they call the Fulani come back. That guy where they interview for Akura this morning, where BBC the interview now God go punish. Oh, I'm a person go live for this program for these people. Maybe you're quiet for them. They want die, maybe they die for inside that. What is the way to that now? You're the draining now for you. Fire me. You know go better for you. And all of you we sit down together. One organize say Fulani free stay for anywhere in like. Shebi now the country where would they shout, say no good, may they do everything good, before we come to say we won't go our home, because on our power, the country problem have already passed. You this motherfucker did the power, it don't pass on the power. They don't say it don't pass on the power, and I don't know where I go free start them, and I know where I go hand down. Now, not be the country where we say Boko Haram, the penta Boko Haram, and I go spend how much Buhari go sign for Metiala? How much? He go sign for them, 100 million. But wait till be you this Yoruba gain, go this Yoruba people. I don't know our gain for inside that country. Wait till be our gain for there. Person see they stand say one thing. On I see they shake on the head come up for there. On I say na inside rain on I won't sleep. Inside sun on I won't sleep. Carry. Asun bepe agwe. Ma sun bepe. For na to go use Sunday go collect disgrace. You know go feel shame. No, you know possible. You know go feel shame at all. About the shame money. You know go feel shame. But if Sunday go on on head, no one sleep for inside house. Say na inside rain where they fall, you won't sleep. Make it forget all of you now. Make it live for your matter. Make it live everybody. Because the one I can't they do the matter now. They do that guy. I can't even understand the one I don't. They see my fellow Yoruba self. They comment rubbish. The way they interview Yoruba this Sunday go this morning for your house. They comment rubbish, man, idiot man, Yoruba go looking at I see Yoruba man. But what is this guy they talk can benefit of me and you? The guy, the guys don't even get benefit for them because the pikin no pikin wey you go born for Nigeria for abroad wey go talk say na Nigeria you wan come stay. E no possible. You fit your come visit maybe one week say your body don dey hot am. You don dey come back to in place where they born am. But na benefit of me and you. But on our head say and I no wan sleep house. 100 million. Nice Buhari go sign for Metiala. 100 million. But those people where they kill their family, where they Fulani men kill their family, where they kill their generation, where they kidnap, they kill. If they not pay money, they go kill. If you pay money, they go kill. So, what if Buhari take compensate them? Nah, lie. What if want take compensate them? We no get sense. But that sense, that we go take get time, we go down over us. That time, help I no go come day again. No help I go come day again. She don't understand me. He no go day again. Yoruba people. Now we are na carry Nigeria rich. Now Nigeria day to day. Talk and come outside. No concern me or burning. If you see me for your country, you wanna arrest me. I found cool. I mean, go come on for where light the way they live, where they see better road every day. They wake up, they see better life. So they come inside darkness. I found cool. All of the craze. As you show you buruku, I you need that, and you know buruku she. Yoruba people now go burn that house. Now na burn now. I don't even get too much stock. Now Yoruba people go bust on the go house. Not be Hausa, not be Fulani. If you like it or you take it. And some people where they jealous that guy. Say they get useless power. Whether they jealous that guy, they appear this they break this one. Say we tell them. You to say now so they do everything. You know get sense. Yeah, I don't clear now. Our hello Yoruba people sit talking. Not be lie. Say you Makinde, we don't say on our handwork. All of na pata. We don't say on our handwork. On a put politics for inside this game. We will play together. So on a put politics. I know they need that. Any jero mo yin lórúkọ Jésù ìbànújẹ́ ayé ló máa bá gbogbo yín pátápátá gbogbo ẹ̀yin Nigeria bad belle for Odùduwà ìbànújẹ́ ayé ló máa bá yín lórúkọ Jésù tẹ́ bá fòwúrọ̀ kùtù ayé yín kójọ ẹ máa fa láyé ẹ máa fi tada nù lórúkọ Jésù pẹ̀lú ẹkún pẹ̀lú òṣè lórúkọ Ọlọ́run àtúntàn so go be inshallah ogun máa pa yín dànù enemy of Odùduwà lórí burúkú people they don't make everything you tire everybody. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. O.
Good afternoon. Good evening, sir.
God will bless you.
Inshallah.
We shall be well with you and your family.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
I bless you, my brother.
Thank you, sir. Happiness, no day
I'm from
today.
Delta State, but I'm really enjoying your program.
Thank you, sir.
It's not 100 million, it's 100 billion.
100 billion.
100 billion naira.
100 billion naira for Metiala.
You can imagine. They even rejected it and said and told government they want 160 billion.
But what's the Yoruba game for inside this game, sir? All these things now, Sabina said they settle their people. So what's the Yoruba even game for inside? When we say person see they stand for us, we see they fire our border by ourselves. Now so want to go front?
And people are dying of hunger every blessed day.
Yeah, if I'm one catch you what do die on the battle. Allah, this you make me tired. Allah, not be like even the programs I know they hungry me to do again because these people they be betrayer. You know if you fight for Odùduwà, may you sit down. Don't tire for them. God will always God will bless you. Inshallah, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Keep enjoying your program. Nice talking to you, my brother.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Yes, sir. For call for this program, I say they don't start to they call for this program because me I don't want to. I say make they call put before. I say we go come call inside. We go just use the remaining hours. I call the number. Come outside. Yes, I know the number for it. The number don't want to come up from my. Wait till your day my brain. Yoruba. I shall go your gun Yoruba. I not be loud. If you see some Yoruba say no need to they help them because they are betrayer. Because what all I all do so because they put on for Aboki, they put on for Hausa. Now our brother do this thing. Our fellow brother Yoruba brother na do. And some Yoruba, as they wake up this morning, say that guy was not born. Some of them say that you never finish him. They tell him. Even some king go talk him. Some king will get useless cow for somewhere. I bet who know that yesterday number make me paste for there before I go. Maybe I go see the number. I no go see him. I no verse Jerry. I know say we go call him. They don't stay. We just do in 1 hour. Hi, they make me your tired. Wallahi. What you on Olubadan? What you don't do for that way don't happen? Wanna tell me? On Olubadan. What they don't do? The Oyo Empire. What they don't do? And some remaining king and the chief. Where they are now that place, what did they don't do? They say police can't check am. The house, Bernie, not be lie. No. Lie, it's not be lie. Never know the number, say. I bet that yesterday number, if I know, God go bless you, Solomon. Summer wine, you go see better for your life. Fulani men no go kill you, go reach your destination, inshallah. Inshallah. Thank you. Plus 391 3511 02 2391 plus 39 351 102 2391. Man, let me see paste. I want to pin her down for there so that we go fit call in. We just do our program. We do enlighten ourselves. Yoruba, GM soon. Yoruba, where you betray your fellow brother. When we say now where you go destroy, now be your own daily bread day. You know go better for you. You on our way say now betray on your big for inside that Yoruba, for inside that to do a movement. So wallahi they go find and they no go see on. If in a governor you be, where they do enemy for inside that to do. You know go better for you. Wallahi they go find and they no go see on, inshallah. Ultimate death now go be on a portion. Inshallah. Thank you. Contribute, more your contribute for this program so that hello sir. Hello? I've been a king, we get cow for Fulani and say make Fulani help and they monitor cow. She nine go support say make Fulani commerce. And some of these are useless king. Now what be their resources with that? So all this motherfucker king, when we get for Dudua, we go kill them. Ogben the way they take bomb now, the king not come from up. Ogben now inside my private one for come outside. Now there was me also come outside. Where no passage. Ogun go kill off na pata when I get cow for under Fulani. One I no go make me where we human being. Our brother where we human being. When I no go make they get better freedom, better life to live. Because of a cow, because of something there on the shop, we no go better for now. And I no go see better for our life, inshallah. That's one of this one I no go take for them. And I return on me, like me as I did. If the way they go collect out the do nation, me I go get my own group say all this king go say on not be what do they call this? Not be other kushus on for them. Me I go get my group say we go the flog and I come outside. That's what it go be. Till that time go reach. If you not be now, it go come to pass one day and one day. That's what it go be. Glory buruku, useless people. Useless senior brother, useless senior sister, useless leader. No go better for now. Betrayal people. They go put fire for that fellow brother house. Now so see Metiala. See what is they call this group for north side. Now they all unite together. They fire Yoruba together. And some of our useless politicians Yoruba brother we say they came out for up. The day on that house. They no fit speak out based on where they go 2023 and I no go see that 2023 ultimately they go be on a portion inshallah. So far son you don't see darkness. I mean when I don't see sun for inside for now 1 o'clock for midnight before no even 12 o'clock no see sun that 2023 and I no go meet time. That's what it go be or else on a dialogue with on a fellow brother on a stand with on a fellow brother we just stand one like this we go our own destination. That is cheery. They put us for back. And now we put ourselves for back for the beginning. Because the time where they say, well, what they talk, and even they never even bomb me that time. They said, man, they talk, Yoruba Egbimokon. They say, Musia, they sing Yoruba Egbimokon. Now lie. Now that lie, betray. Now I see do that thing yesterday night in this morning. Best way they fight for me. Where they fight for you. If they fight for your pikin. If they fight for your generation, only one person. You no collect money, nobody give her money. Now power in your use, now God, now you're using your agility to say, no, you no go green our land with this. Still on see, on a see go sell on a fellow brother. So that I go put fire for your house. So that never kill now. If they come, body go flog in the next one. I not get internet, so I just darkness of the world, Nigeria. I know they see internet, I know they press internet 24 hours, when I see what they happen. So that they call, it go flog some of now, they come. Hello, sir.
Mr. Ogun.
Good evening, sir.
Ekale, sir.
Ekale, sir.
Yes, orúkọ mi ni Akínọlá Mọ́lákẹ́yà.
Mo kí yín sà o.
Mo gbé láti ìlú Èkó.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí sà.
Yes, sir. Mo kàn fẹ́ yes, sir. Yorùbá mo fẹ́ sọ mi ò fẹ́ sọ English.
Kò sí wàhálà o.
Ṣé rí nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe fún ọ̀gá wa Sunday Igboho kò dùn mọ́ gbogbo wa nù.
Nǹkan tó bà yín jẹ́ ni.
Àwọn Yorùbá ló ṣiṣẹ́.
Yorùbá ló ṣe, wọ́n bí Ìgbò, wọ́n bí Hausa.
Àwọn Yorùbá tó dẹ̀ ṣe àwọn tó ń jẹ́ laws ni.
Yes.
Àti rí wọn tó ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé ọmọ ogun mélòó ni Sunday Igboho ní. Sọlọ́mọ ogun.
Àti gbọ́.
Sóní lẹ́kìtì ni.
Wọ́n ní kò ní lẹ́kìtì.
Àwa mọ àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́.
I go even speak am for broken. I go speak am for broken. Even Igbo go know wetin I dey talk. No, kì í ṣe lẹ́yìn, kì í ṣe gbọ́n.
Ayé wọn máa bàjẹ́ tìran ní gbogbo ọ̀tá lọ ṣiṣẹ́.
Alákàlà.
Tẹ́mi kan máa ṣe ni pé Mr. Ogun, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe ẹ̀pù kọfà. Ẹ máa tẹ gbogbo anybody tó bá wà lórí media. Kẹ́ everybody máa form group láti lè support Sunday Igboho. All the old youth in Yoruba land, they should form youth and carry everybody along in your area to support Sunday Igboho. Don't just keep quiet. Don't look. Anything you can do it. Don't wait for anybody. Bí mo ṣe wà ládùúgbò mi nísìnyí, mo ń ṣe process ẹ lọ láti form youth. Don't go be a warrior. Yes. Defend that guy.
Yes.
Thank
you, sir. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Contribute your own opinion. They say one head is better than 2 heads sometimes, and 2 heads is better than 1 head sometimes. But 1,000 head, we don't rot, 1 head better person. Now this our Ghanaian dance, ni PA. Now I talk and say, who be Sunday Igboho? Where they for the year? If you talk Sunday Igboho for you, no go here now. Then nobody no get boys for there. Now all this program I don't watch now this morning. He say no get for Ekiti, you no get for Ondo, you no get for Kwara, you no get boys. But if you reach anywhere for those states, we go measure Ghanaian dams, more Ghanaian dams, OPC. Now you go come outside for Ekiti, you go measure. So which means these people they can't say you when we say you be single. Only you one person. Why you go do all those things when we say we supposed to start take stand say if I don't understand me, I know what they talk. If you are the all the fast they talk, I know what they talk. Your fellow Yoruba brother and they put fire for Ghana Sunday Igboho house. Not be Fulani, not be Fulani at all. Man, I no measure Fulani. Man, I no measure Hausa. The truth is bitter. If I not like, you no concern me. If I not like, when I block when I come up for my program, no concern me. Now Yoruba people. Your king again for inside. They sit down for the meeting. Your king again for inside. Your chief for your again for inside. Your politician, Olori Buruku again for inside. All of them, the youth of Nigeria, the youth of Yoruba, the youth of Yoruba, the bad head, Olori Buruku. I know it don't reach 50 years. Never use motto. It is say they live life. It don't reach 50 years. They live for face me and face you. It is say they live life. Olori Buruku youth. Olori Buruku youth. When they say they go give 5,000 naira, ordinarily 5 euro, you go they thank the person for 3 days. Share an answer. Lori Buruku 5,000 naira. When no reach they subscribe, they follow you, they talk so. You know even reach the quarter of the subscribe, they stay the subscribe, they talk. It's almost 4 days so. May God punish you 5,000 naira. Now do that work. But when I say that poverty, don't go die put. Take. All of una when I join am together, go put fire for that house. You know go better for now. Pata, inshallah. And so it go be. Buhari they come for now. Maybe they say they don't remove brutal, they don't remove Air Force. You see the one they put now. They look like this. When I look the picture, like this they look. Say, are they come for now? Of floggy, my brother. We're floggy. You go flog nonsense for nobody. They come. You wanna don't see them. Even I waited the fight for maybe we come up inside this thing. Maybe we have to stand about us. I want who do us or do stand like who do. And I said no. Now poverty and I define. Some of this Yoruba brother will go put fire for it. Me I don't go measure Hausa. See, and I go if on a life when I go sue me for court anything. Now Yoruba put fire for so they go out so not be Hausa, not be Fulani. Fulani no follow at all. Now Yoruba brother put out fire for there. This Olori Buruku brother, the way you go put fire for that property worth 50 million so. Best way put fire for there. Maybe now only 5,000 naira they go give am 1,000 naira 5. Now they go give am we go destroy that thing. And I saw your wallahi the day when your glory all of now we don't sit down together. We wanna call each other for phone. Wanna go meet for one junction, or wanna go sit down for hotel, or wanna sit down to plan together. And you when you go by yourself, put fire where you on the matches or lighter for that place. Inshallah, God will put today's date. The day when our glory go come, the inside grave it go meet on her. Inshallah. It's all about like Kenyan. I share wow by this reke. Odo what you do, odo what you want, odo wakati, odo what you do. The day when our glory go come, the day when I go pick on a pick go they come say, Papa, see what I don't do. Now that day, now that glory, na inside grave it go meet on her. Me, I not go get too much stuff. I not go receive call against self. Sunday go see. If they know say they want to do you one kind. Yoruba they don't want to come inside that property where they did. They don't want to come out. They don't want to unite with you. They don't want to unite. Say we go reach our destination land. Papa, quit. Forget them. Come back to abroad. Maybe you can't stay for your Canada or for your UK or for your Germany. We say what they say. We know say to do a good now, to do a stand. Now we say they call that place. Say no, all of us when they talk for Facebook, all of us go quiet. We go quit. Go quit. Betrayal people are Fankolo, Zebruma, Zebi, and Nicky, Zebi. The plan here, Papa. You go better for now. No go better for now. Attestimate people. Ari Jari Modaru. Olori Buruku people. Now they can suffer up and down for their abroad now. People now get their resources. Nigeria. Now they get their resources. The one where even dey for only on those states, they never come out town. 50 years coming. You never come out town. The one where they many like that. The gold, the everything where they were on a king, they carry a book, they carry on for the inside darkness. They use China, they cover and hide. They enter one place, they carry what it belong with me and you. But now they talk say, why we go take collect them? And they do it, and I go put fire for person house. Because they talk say now, that BBC we thought that go fire mama Ogunlakaye we go kill Papa. Where they interview this one say catch fire. If you know how to speak broken, you no go speak Yoruba. If you know how to speak English, you no go speak broken. You catch fire. Which fire you catch? They tell you say why you touch each other for there. For you to pronounce out, there are some Yoruba people against they go for what? For the movement of people that is going through. If they put fire for your house, if you know how to speak for English, speak out for broken, maybe people hear you well. And they saw the Berori Buruku, why you no go speak come outside? Olori Buruku people. That is shiri. Maybe I know tell and I say government is government. Government na government. I don't tell and I say all this thing where all those Olebuku governors they sit down together, they sit down, they talk. I not tell and I say later they go settle down by themselves. They go settle down. Government go call government. Government go call government. They go settle down through phone. That's what you're being. Now we don't say that fire me Ogunlakaye Oshimole we go shopping here. We in first on na Fulani go carry head. Go meet am for say that bro bashege. See your pikin me I don't cut am for head. Now so you go come to pass for in life. Very sweet inshallah. So if you pick it down, maybe where they kidnap, you go to say me Fulani at anywhere. Wait till me tell you talk for that country, for that north side. Say your Fulani owns the whole Nigerian land. Now if I me our Yoruba brother see carry come outside. Now if carry come outside say Fulani fit stay for anywhere for Yoruba land. Come on, I don't tire, no be love. And I don't do and say we don't go abroad. You know if he come. And I don't drown. And I don't drown. We even happy safe. Because nobody fit come from here, can't they sleep for inside darkness on your day for day so. And nobody fit come for here, can't they see all those dirty way they for gutter, what the government don't fit do. Nobody fit come up for here, go they see gutter every day, they see dirty for road every day, they see poto, go wear white jeans, white shoe, no fit even though you got time to say na poto go. So all those things that's why we talk, I found cool. People go call on zoo. Now zoo country, zoology. Zoology. Now don't be lying now zoo country ogbeni aye you ma baje yo lobuku ijobo lobuku loshi na gather together go burn the guy house and people will not go talk about this one just want to know first joy no deal unless you hear they appear or because you hear they use by force you hear they laugh because if you see the time when they interview that guy this morning they ask and say this thing that burn for inside this house now it worth like what they say it pass 50 million naira. And politician give them maybe 5,000 naira. Politician gain for inside. The king gain for inside. Chief gain for inside. And the the warrior where they say this one don't, it won't get power past me, this one won't get past me, this one won't get people past me, I won't fall in hand. They're gun for inside everything. Anything one I like, one I do, I teach you will Benny. Lori Buruku people. My people, I want to know verse Jare. We don't go top out this one, Joe. Joy no day. People did not all the government want swear for self. I know even enter my brain. All these Yoruba people make me hear the verse. All the government even want swear for self. No even enter my brain again self. Now these Yoruba people will go put fire. Now be Fulani put fire for some they go house. Now be my topic. Now I want you they talk. Man, I know they talk anything again. That fire where they put for Sunday go house, not be Hausa, not be Fulani, not be Bororo. Now Yoruba brother, Yoruba, now they put fire for their fellow Yoruba where they fight for their rights. Say may they come up from inside poverty. Say you want to try impossible best. Maybe we just see the support and make Carlos come up from inside poverty. What would they inside suffer? What would they? Now we still go to put fire for the guy house. If they're born, I want to not go in house for where that when you born, the place where he did, whether I not go die. If they're born, I wear, they're born a king, where's what's on now?